What's Gucci, everyone? It's another beautiful day, and in this video I decided to make a little tutorial on Linux tips. So the first Linux tip I want to show you guys is that, let's say I type in ls and my keyboard is getting really cluttered, and something that I didn't know is that a lot of people type in clear to clear their keyboard. But let's just say, you have all these, you're doing all these things and your keyboard's getting cleared a lot and you don't like typing clear. One thing you can really easily do is press Control L, and that will automatically also clear your Linux terminal. So Control L, very helpful command. But a lot of Linux tips I like to do are with the keywords. For instance, the pipe operator. Now, you can do a lot of really clever things with this pipe operator. And if you don't know where the pipe operator is on your keyboard, it usually is if you press Shift and then right above the Enter key on most keyboards. Mine is. And so, what the pipe symbol does and is called is that it's half of an OR statement. If you've done any kind of usually Boolean programming, usually that's the OR symbol with two of them. But what you can do is I can redirect the standard output to and then list another program and give it as the standard input of that program. So what I'm saying is here, if I do PS here, let me say if I do PS AX right here, what it does is it lists all my active processes. And there are a lot of ones that I don't need to worry about, but if I do PSAX, there's a lot of them, and it gives me back all those processes. So that is the output generated by that command. It's just like anything else that's getting printed out. So that's the standard out. Standard in is what, is the input. And usually that's referred to in C. In C, they give it a number. So standard in is 0, standard out is 1, and then there's something called standard error, which is what you print errors to, which is 2. And so PSAX gives me all my programs as standard output. So let's say in the case that I wanted to find a specific process or program, because it gives me all the running processes, I want to find a specific one. So I'm going to take the output from all my processes, and then I'm going to redirect that output as the input for my next command. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to redirect it to a grep command. And what grep does is grep can be used to search, is a Unix searching command, where I can search for things using regular expressions or just proper keywords. So if I wanted to search all my processes to see if Google Chrome was running, I could take all the processes, put them in a pipe, and do grep Chrome. And this is the power of the pipeline, is I can easily make very powerful commands just with this pipe operator. I was able to just get all the Chrome operations, and there are a lot. Chrome can take up a lot of running time on your computer. That's why it's good to close it. So there you go. So that was pretty powerful. At the same time, I could just do something simple like that, and boom, have a lot of power. And I actually use that command commonly. It's good to note to see if you're going to look at anything. See if anything's running or if it's not. Another thing I can do is I can use the redirect operator, which is the right arrow. So let's say I want to do echo, and I want to echo life is beautiful, because sometimes it is and sometimes it's not, baby. Let me hear you. But I'll just do one arrow. If I want to do life is beautiful, and let's say I have a document called a.txt in the current directory I'm in, I can simply say life is beautiful. And that again will take the output of life of whatever the preceding command is, echo life is beautiful, it will give me back life is beautiful, and it will take that and will it will open a.txt and it will write to a.txt, and it will overwrite anything that's in a.txt. As you can see here, I just overwrote a.txt with life is beautiful. Now, let's say I do life is beautiful with some exclamation marks here, then, well, it also, printed it out too, but what can happen is, life is beautiful. What did I do here? Oh, oops, life is beautiful. Let me just put some exclamation marks in here. And so, what I was able to do here is Now I can see life is beautiful a.text. So basically, because of my insane kind of echo statement, I rewrote life is beautiful. Or I could, I could give something kind of like life right here, and then I could look at cat. So every time I'm echoing here, I'm rewriting the whole file. It's basically overwriting whatever was previously there. So one thing I can do, I can simply have two arrows, and what that means is, instead of just writing to it, if I have two arrows, that appends to the end. So that won't overwrite everything. So I just added life. So let's add is BAU. Why am I so bad at typing? So is beautiful. So then I can cat and I see life is beautiful. Now it added that on the last line, but still it did append it to the end and life is still there. So that is pretty cool and pretty clever. So it is good to know, which arrows are working out like that. What else can I show you guys? One thing I can show you guys is I want you to know that normal C commands or C kind of operators are still available in the terminal. So something you can do is you can use the OR operator and the AND operator in your Linux terminal. So you can do something like true and ls, and what happened right there is, it executes just like in C. So it says, so first it executes true, and since that's true, I'm going to execute ls. So now I'm going to do false and ls, and see nothing happened there, and that's because of quick termination. So since this is false, there's no way this AND statement can be true. It's not even going to check this ls or run this ls. And so with this AND statement, true is true. So then it went to ls, and ls returned true because it ran positively. That's kind of the way you think of it. Does the command run? Does it work? And this can be really good in compilation programs, like when you type in make, if you know about that, that's how to compile a C program. And that, if it compiles, it'll return true. If it doesn't compile, it'll return false. So then you can proceed doing other things if it does compile. So that's pretty cool. And you can do the same thing with OR here. So if I do OR, it will still print out ls because ls will return true even though false is in the beginning. So that's really nifty too, guys. And that's about all I got. Comment below if you like this video, or if you think I look good. I know my hair's all messed up, and I'm not the best looking guy, but I do love trying to help you guys out. So have a great day. And oh dang it, I just did the thing again. And tell me if I'm funny or not. Bye. Hi again, everyone. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys for liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. If you want to watch more videos of the same category, you can click over here. And if you want to watch any new videos and learn something new, you can click over here. Have the best day of your life.